आज सीखेंगे फलों के नाम के साथ अल्फाबेट। A for apple. B for banana. C for cherry. D for dragon fruit. E for elderberry. F for fish. G for grape. H for honeydew. I for Indian plum. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lychee. M for mango. N for nectarine. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for queens. R for raspberry. S for strawberry. T for tangerine. U for ugly fruit. V for water apple. W for watermelon. X for sigua. Y for yuzu. Z for zucchini.